Hello everyone, welcome to Hansika Creations. So today I am going to talk about solar system, and if you like my video then please like it, share it and subscribe it. So let us start at today's video. About our solar system. Our solar system consists of Sun, 8 planets, asteroid belt, and the 8 planets are as follows: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Also, there is an asteroid belt between the orbits of planets Mars and Jupiter. Planets are divided into two types: inner planets and outer planets. So now let us learn about the differences between inner planets and outer planets. The inner planets. So what are the inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And these inner planets are mostly made up of rocks. These inner planets are nearer to the sun. Now let us learn about outer planets. So what are the outer planets? The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And these outer planets are mostly made up of gases. These outer planets are far away from the sun. Sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect ball of hot plasma heated to incandescence by the nuclear fusion reactions in its core. The sun radiates this energy mainly as light, ultraviolet and infrared radiation, and is the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and the only one in the solar system without a considerable atmosphere. Orbital distance is 88 days. Distance from Sun is 58 million kilometers. Its surface area is 74.8 million kilometers and length of the day is 59 days and its radius is 2439.7 kilometers and its gravity is 3.7 meters per second square. Now let us learn about Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the only terrestrial object in the solar system other than the Earth that has a substantial atmosphere and is almost as massive and large as Earth. Its orbital period is 225 days. Distance from the Sun is 108.2 million kilometers. Its length of the day is 243 days. Its radius is 6051.8 kilometers. Its absolute magnitude is minus 4.47. Its mass is 4.867 into 10 to the power 24 kilograms. Now let us learn about Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only place known in the universe where life has originated and found habitability. While Earth may not contain the largest volumes of water in the solar system, only Earth sustains liquid surface water extending over 70.8% of the Earth with its ocean, making Earth an ocean world. Its orbital period is 365 days. Its distance from the Sun is 150.36 million kilometers. Its length of the day is 24 hours. Its radius is 6378 kilometers. Its mass is 5.972 into 10 to the power 24 kilograms. Now let us learn about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the third largest and massive terrestrial object in the solar system. Mars has a thin atmosphere and a crust primarily composed of elements similar to Earth's crust, as well as a core made up of iron and nickel. Its orbital period is 687 days. Its distance from the Sun is 227.9 million kilometers. Its gravity is 3.721 meters per second square. Its length of the day is 1 day 37 minutes. Its radius is 3389.5 kilometers. Its moons are Phobos and Deimos. Its age is 4.603 billion years. Now let us learn about Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined and slightly less than 1,000 the mass of the Earth. orbital period is 12 years. Its distance from the Sun is 778.5 million kilometers. Its radius is 69,911 kilometers. Its surface area is 61.42 billion kilometers square. Its age is 4.603 billion years. Its gravity is 24.79 meters per second square. Now let us learn about Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. It has only 1/8 the average density of the Earth but is over 95 times more massive. Its orbital period is 29 years. Its distance from the Sun is 1.434 billion kilometers. Its surface area is 42.7 billion kilometers square. Its radius is 58,232 kilometers. Its age is 4.503 billion years. Its gravity is 10.44 meters per second square. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is named after Greek sky deity Uranus, who in Greek mythology is the father of Cronus, a grandfather of Zeus, and great-grandfather of Ares. Uranus has the third largest planetary radius and fourth largest planetary mass in the entire solar system. Its distance from the Sun is 2.871 billion kilometers. Its orbital period is 84 years and its discoverer is William Herschel. Its length of the day is 17 hours 14 minutes. Its gravity is 8.87 meters per second square. It was discovered on 13th March 1781. Now let us talk about Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and the farthest known planet in the solar system. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. It is 17 times the mass of the Earth and is slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus. Its orbital period is 165 years. Its distance from the Sun is 4.495 billion kilometers. Its surface area is 7.618 billion kilometers square. It was discovered on 23rd September 1846 and its length of the day is 16 hours 6 minutes. Hope you all like this video, and if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.